Studio 13, RG3, JoJo. My money's on the flow, I'm trying to stack it to the ceiling. If you got a lot of dough, just throw the ones up at them strippers that be grinding on the pole but hates the life that they living, so we get a real throat. I'm all up on the razz, like security's on patrol. As soon as we done fuck it, she knows a razz got to go. And yeah, I smoke so much weed, I went through 25 lighters trying to ride up in the rap game like I'm on a motorcycle. No love for no bitch, she don't want you because she like you, she just want you because you got them chips. And when you get married, you split it up and then you owe the bitch. I'd rather live free and just continue killing this shit, or be like the Khalifa man and just throw parties at my crib. I'm from Texas, talking good, just smoking country good shit. And by rapping, you ain't gotta listen if that's something you ain't with. Just gonna do what I gotta do every time they ask JoJo to spit. So what up, RG3, you're up.
Straight out from San Antonio, let me tell you who I am. I'm straight out from San Antonio, like to rap my shit. Green color, yeah. Green Dodie slime, what I used to rap. Now I'm rapping RG3 Productions, niggas, here we go. State Town, nigga, rolling through my hood. Rolling through my hood with my green mini coupe, green styling. Smoking that green while I'm wearing green hat clothes, nigga, what the fuck, what up? You got no style, you got no players, nigga, coming to me. Don't be facing my niggas, you don't even know us. Yeah, RG3 to the test, nigga. Don't be playing, nigga. Put your ass to the haters' troops. Hater list. Yeah, I ain't Santa Claus. I'm Green Dodie Slime, aka RG3. Put you on the naughty list, motherfuckers. Don't be playing, nigga. Pull the triggers if you don't like yourself, nigga. I'm sorry.
You motherfucking sorry. Yeah. So, fuck you haters, they hating on a player from the streets of San Antonio. But I'm feeling like the mayor, cause I'm always on the streets, working hard, getting on my paper. Always on these beats, going hard, getting on my wages. And if it's a fine bitch, and just like Bundy, I'm a raper. You never trust a bitch, she'll take your money if you let her. I let her suck my dick, but dick is back cause I don't eat her or kiss her. But she down like Mavita Loca, I call her Whisper. She a mixture of a gangster bitch and a stripper, so I tip her and keep tipping while she stripping. Oh, the stripper poets when I threw more cash that she started taking off some more. A big booty girl coming down the pole and a little twirl looking for the cash below. Said I'm a tipper slow, that she down the foes cause I'm getting dough. I hear Santa Tone, yeah.
Back in San Antonio, rapping and doing what we gotta do every day. We're trying to hustle, make a living. We're doing die. We're hustling, grinding, making money. Every day I'm talking about money, cause I'm fucking broke. Eating canned food. Motherfucker sucks balls. Eating bologna and cheese and fucking ham. Nigga really suck. Nigga ramen noodle. The spiciest kind you ever can get. The best of the kind. The best of the fit. Can't even face what you're talking about, what you're saying, niggas. I go through a hard life. I went through a hard life. Don't even understand what RG3 been through, aka.
Yeah, I think that was great. You know, Studio 13, me and RG3.
RG3, baby. San Antonio.